Imagine, if you will, a country on the brink of change. A nation where the upcoming elections could determine not only its future, but also the stability of a region. This is the reality for Zimbabwe as it prepares for its next chapter. At the center of this political maelstrom is opposition leader Nelson Chamisa, a figure who has become synonymous with change and hope for many Zimbabweans. The leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change, Chamisa is gearing up to challenge incumbent President Emmerson Mnangagwa, a man whose tenure has been marked by economic struggles and allegations of corruption. Chamisa's ambitious manifesto aims to address these very issues, promising a shift in governance and a solution to the country's economic challenges. Yet, the road to the presidency is far from clear, with allegations of blatant and gigantic fraud marring the previous election. In that election, Mnangagwa claimed victory with 52.6% of the vote, a result that Chamisa and his party vehemently dispute. Amidst claims of voter intimidation, hastily assembled results, and biased media coverage, international observers have expressed their concern, highlighting the need for a free and fair election. And yet, despite these allegations, the Southern Africa Development Community, or SADC, has remained largely silent. Critics have labeled the SADC as toothless, failing to act on its SEOM report and leaving many questioning its commitment to democracy. As Zimbabwe prepares for its upcoming elections, the stakes are high. The country stands at a crossroads, its future in the balance. Will Chamisa's call for change resonate with the people? Will the elections be free and fair? And will the SADC step up to ensure a democratic process? These are the questions that hang in the air as Zimbabwe edges closer to its election day. Only time will tell the story of this nation's journey towards democracy and change.